Today we're taking a look at section 8-4, multiplying special cases. The objective: to find the square of a binomial and to find the product of the sum and difference. A key concept with this section, the square of the binomial, is given a problem that looks like this: a plus b squared. That translates into a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What are they actually doing with that problem? They're taking the 2 on the outside here and putting it with the a. Now they're taking this b and putting it with the 2 over here. So you're squaring a and you're squaring b. Then the 2 on the outside here is placed in front of the 2 alongside the a and the b. So you are squaring a, squaring b, and then multiplying a and b by 2. So looking at a problem with numbers, we're given x plus 4, that quantity squared. So I'm going to put the 2 with the x, and square the x, putting the 2 with the 4. 4 squared is 16. And how they got the 8 is they take the plus sign, move it over there, but they take this 2 and put it with the x and the 4. So what do you have when you have all this together? You have 2 times x times 4, which gives you 8x. Which gives you that middle number. So again, you square the x, you square the 4, the second number, and then you multiply both of the numbers by 2, or whatever inside the parentheses, to get the middle number, 8x. The other problem, a minus b, that quantity squared, gives you a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Again, do the same thing. Taking the 2 on the outside, square the first number, square the second number. And then in the middle, you're taking the 2 times both numbers inside, which is a, b, but you're also putting the subtraction sign with that problem. So if you're looking at it with numbers, if you're given x minus 3, that quantity squared, you're going to square the first number, which is your letter x, so x squared. You're going to square the second number, which is 3 squared, or negative 3 times negative 3, gives me 9, and then I'm going to take this number and put it with the x and the 3. Taking the minus sign in with the problem. So what is 2 times x times 3? That's correct. 6x. look at problem number 1. Squaring binomial. So I'm given x plus 8, that quantity squared. What did I do to get that answer? Square on the outside, and put the x. I took the 2 on the outside, squared it with the 8. And then I took this 2 on the outside and put it with each one of those numbers and get 2x8. So I'm left with x squared. This multiplies together, gives me 16x. 8 squared gives me 64. Looking at this problem, 2m minus 3, that quantity squared. What do I do with that problem? I take the 2, square both of those together, and get 2m squared. I take the 2, and I square it with the 3, or if there is the minus 3, negative 3 times negative 3 squared, that will give me 9. Down there we have 2m squared, that would give me n squared. And what did we do to get this number in the middle? That's right, we take this 2 and put it with both of those numbers. So we have 2 times 2m 3. This minus sign going in front of those numbers. When I multiply all this together, I get negative 12m. Because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, and then I just bring down the m a little bit. So the final answer would be 4m squared minus 12m plus 9. Let's take a look how we do that at number 1. Looking at that again, we have a square on the outside. We put that with both of those numbers. So we would have n squared. It's a minus. I'm going to put a minus here. Draw a line from my middle number in there later, along with my last number. So 7 squared would be 49. In the middle, we have the 2 and the power of 2 times that with each of those numbers, and 7, that would give me 2n minus 2 times 7 is 14, and plus 49. So that would be the final answer after I square that equation. Let's take a look at problem 3. Using mental math with a problem that looks like this, 39 squared. What's another way of looking at that? You take 39, you could say 40 minus 1 is 39. And I need to square that. So, using what we know so far, we would take this 2 with the 40 and square that. 2 with the 1, square that. And then we have 2 times both of those numbers to give you 2 times 40 times 1. And we know that 40 squared is 1600, because that's just 4 squared, which is 16 with 2 zeros. And then over here we have 40 times 1, which is 40, times 2 gives me 80. Bring down the minus sign, and then we have 1 squared is 1. So in our head, we could do 1600 minus 80 plus 1, we give me 1521. That's another way of using this formula to solve similar or other problems, make it look similar.